Hey, it's Mark in the shop again. I just made a keyhole jig for my small rigid router. I'm going to try it on a piece of scrap wood and see how it works before I try it on the real piece of wood.
Okay, so here is the jig that I made, and here is a keyhole bit. So I'll push this in, push it forward till it stops on my fence here, and bring it back and pull it out, and it should have a nice keyhole. Let's see what happens. And I think that turned out pretty good. Let's see how we got the keyhole. Should be able to put a screw in there now and have it work. So screw will go in and hold securely. Well, now we'll try it on the real product. So tried the jig on the product that I made, and you can see perfect holes. I made some measurements on the jig so I would know how far I need to go. But it turned out really good. Really like that keyhole jig. I have saved it and dated it. There it is, the keyhole jig. Just made for my router. Did it with some Craig screws so I wouldn't split any boards. It turned out really good. Another project that went well.